Building a website used to be hard. It was a time-consuming and complex task. You needed to know how to code. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript were essential skills. But today, anyone can make a website, even with no technical experience. The landscape has changed dramatically. That's thanks to website builders like Wix and Joomla. These platforms have revolutionized web development. These platforms offer tools and templates to simplify the process. They make it easy for anyone to create a professional-looking site. You don't need to write code. The drag-and-drop interfaces are intuitive and user-friendly. You just point, click, and type, like using a word processor. It's that simple and straightforward. But which platform is right for you? Each has its own unique features and benefits. This essay will compare Wix and Joomla. We'll dive into their functionalities and ease of use. We'll look at their strengths and weaknesses, from customization options to pricing plans. By the end, you'll know which one suits your needs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, there's a platform for you. Wix is known for its ease of use. It's very popular with millions of users worldwide. In fact, over 200 million people have used Wix to build a website. Wix offers a drag-and-drop interface. This means you can simply select elements and move them around the page. Want a photo gallery on the left? Just drag it there. Wix also provides hundreds of templates. These templates are professionally designed and mobile-friendly. This means your website will look good on any device. Joomla is another popular website builder. It's known for its flexibility and customization options. If you're comfortable with technology, Joomla gives you a lot of control. Unlike Wix, Joomla requires some technical knowledge. You'll need to understand how websites work, but this also means you can create more complex websites. Joomla is open source software. This means it's free to use and modify. There's also a large community of developers who create extensions for Joomla. Section 4. Customization and design options. When it comes to ease of customization, Wix truly excels. Its intuitive drag-and-drop system makes it incredibly simple to add elements, change colors, and rearrange layouts, all without any coding knowledge. This user-friendly approach allows even beginners to create professional-looking websites with ease. On the other hand, Joomla offers a much wider range of customization options. Because it's open source, developers have the freedom to create unique features and designs tailored to specific needs. This makes Joomla an excellent choice for websites with more complex requirements, such as online stores, social networks, or large-scale enterprise solutions. Ultimately, the choice between Wix and Joomla depends on your comfort level and specific needs. Wix makes the design process straightforward and accessible for everyone, regardless of their technical skills. Joomla, while requiring more technical knowledge, unlocks a world of greater possibilities for those willing to invest the time to learn. Section 5. Pros and cons weighing your options. Let's summarize the advantages and disadvantages of each platform. Easy to use, even for beginners. Drag-and-drop interface for simple design. Hundreds of professional templates available. Affordable pricing plans. Limited customization options compared to Joomla. Less control over the website's code. Highly customizable with open source code. Powerful features for complex websites. Large community of developers and extensions. Requires technical knowledge to use effectively. Steeper learning curve compared to Wix. Section 6 conclusion. Choosing the right fit. So, which platform is right for you? This is a crucial decision that can impact the success of your website. If you're a beginner or need a website quickly, Wix is the better choice. Its drag-and-drop interface is intuitive and easy to use. Its user-friendly interface and a wide variety of templates make it easy to get started without any technical knowledge. On the other hand, if you need more customization options and have technical skills, Joomla is a powerful platform. It offers extensive features for those who want to dive deeper into web development. Joomla gives you the flexibility to create a truly unique website, tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Consider your needs and technical abilities. Think about what you want to achieve with your website and how much time you can invest in learning the platform. Both Wix and Joomla can help you build a great website. Each has its strengths and can cater to different types of users. The key is to choose the platform that best fits your goals. Take your time to evaluate both options and make an informed decision.